Hello friends, today's video is all about Chorai Bhaji, one of my favorites. In Trinidad we refer to spinach as bhagi. I've used several varieties in my bhaji recipes, including dasheen bush bhaji, regular frozen chopped spinach from my supermarket here in New York, the Jamaican callaloo, which grows wild in my mom's backyard in Brooklyn. This particular variety, Chorai, has evaded me for the past 30 years. And during my recent trip to Trinidad, my in-laws bought a few bundles from a man passing in a van. And my mother-in-law taught me how to clean, cook it, and I made my name, as we say. That just means I ate a lot of it. Chorai Bhaji is what amaranth is to the rest of the world. According to my mother-in-law, there's a very bitter type, and this one, which is a little sweeter, but not candy sweet if you have a wild imagination. Let's just say it's not as bitter as our friend Karaili or bitter melon. Chorai Bhaji is highly nutritious, grows easily. Growing up, these types of bhaji grew wild in the yard as weeds. Nowadays, they have disappeared. You can buy this at any market in Trinidad. You may find this difficult to source out of Trinidad, but good substitutes will be the types of spinach I mentioned earlier. To clean the bhaji, hard stems or excessive flowers or seeds are removed. It is best to use young bhaji, which will cook more quickly, will be more tender and easier to clean. After cleaning, the bhaji is chopped into 1 to 2 inch pieces. After a thorough rinsing to remove dirt, soil and debris, it is ready to be cooked. Onion, garlic, hot peppers, and pimentos, sometimes tomatoes, are added to hot oil and cooked until the edges are golden brown. The chorai bhaji and a little bit of water added and cooked, steamed until tender and any excess liquid has evaporated. The bhaji is done when it smells heavenly, it's soft, and begins to stick to the pot. Chorai bhaji is traditionally eaten with dal, a side of fiery tomato choka, and freshly cooked white rice or jasmine rice or sada roti. It is perfect as the main dish, or will be happy to step in as a side dish to any curries or stews. If you are interested in learning how we made this delicious and healthy bhaji, let's start cooking. Hot pepper goes in first.
And garlic.
Garlic.
Pimento goes in. Tomatoes goes in.
down there.
That's cool. It's a roasted.
That enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she come on, I